KCP Limited is buzzing in trade today as Chandrababu Naidu's TDP makes a comeback in the state. Nigel is right here to tell us about the buzz and how the company will really benefit from the new government. Tell us, Nigel.
Well, that's right. KCP is one of the stocks that's buzzing in today's trading session. And the way the street is reading it is, Mr. Naidu is back in pole position in Andhra Pradesh. And if he's back, then maybe, in fact, that big dream project that he had for Amravati could be back on the table. And it could see that development that he's been talking about and that he was talking about in his previous term as well. Now, remember, for Andhra Pradesh, well, he had proposed that Amravati would be the capital. But then, in fact, once he lost a power over them, Mr. Reddy came in there, and currently Andhra Pradesh has 3 capitals. So that's why, in fact, now the street believes that the focus will shift back to Amravati. And by the way, he's going to take his oath, and in all probability, it'll be in Amravati itself. So that's the political background out there. The companies that have exposure to Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana should come up for you on the screen. Though KCP, if you compare it with some of these larger names, well, it's relatively smaller. Let's tell you a little bit about their business model. The key businesses that they have is sugar as well as cement. That's close to around 95-96% of their total revenues. The smaller divisions are the engineering division as well as the hotel business. And they've been trying to turn around those businesses and trying to push that, but it's only 4-5%, so we leave that out for the time being. Let's explain to you the cement business first up. They have a capacity of around 4.3 million tons odd. They have limestones as well. So in case they want to expand, well, they could use that. They've also been hinting at some expansion, maybe greenfield in nature. So we'll have to keep an eye out on that. For the time being, we're working with around 4.3 million tons on. It's strategically located in Amravati. So in case there is big development, well, they could sell their cement over there, and it could be a bit of a booster for them. Let's focus on the valuations. We take their cement capacity of around 4.3 million tons. You value it at even $50 per ton. Well, you're getting a cement EV of around 1,800 crores. If you value it at $60 per ton, well, then you're getting an EV of around 2,150 crores odd. And this, we're only talking about the cement business. The entire company is valued at around 1,800 crores. How do I get that? The market cap is around 2,300 crores roughly. And they have cash in their books of close to around 500 crores. That's a net cash in their books that we're looking at. And besides the cement business, we're already saying that the cement business at $60 is 2,150 crores odd. The entire company is valued at around 1,800 crores. The sugar business, well, they have a business in Vietnam. And now that the revenues are around 1,100 crores with a bit of around 239 crores. So the valuations are attractive. It appears there's going to be an Amravati push. If that's the case, they stand to gain. Just to point out here, the institutional holding is 2.5% odd, but no notable name has more than 1% odd. The stock is buzzing, so we thought we'll explain that to you. Back to you.
Buzzing indeed. The stock has surged to the day's high as you were speaking, Nigel. It's up 13% now, almost nearing 190, up 80% in the last 12 months is KCP. So not bad going for the stock there. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Business Lunch from Nishami and the team that put this show together. Thank you so much for watching. Midcap Radar takes the action forward.